Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday, August 4th, 1,000 point gap up Tuesday. How about that, huh? What's going on? Souffle, Kaori, Rasar, Nar, Kung Fu, Red Title, Kevin, Gustavo, Nassim, Mark, Jill, Robert, Giancarlo, Cal. Good morning, Cal. Oscar, Seth, Trader Bless, Carla. What is going on, guys? Lots of warriors in the morning. Kristen, Unexpected, Richard, Salvatore, Trader LG, Nelson. Let's do what we do as a community, guys. Let's pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for life and life eternal in you, Jesus, our Lord. As we go about today, help us to find our peace, whether it's up and down, green or red, to find our peace in you, knowing that you are our source, you're our answer, and you're our hope. May your name, Jesus, always be glorified in our lives, in our community. We thank you for your precious grace and the cross. And we bless your holy name, Jesus, we pray. Amen. So, guys, we capped up 1,000 points. All right, so, we capped up 1,000 points, guys. So, do we go down a little bit from here? I mean, you have to make a decision. Just selling some SOXLs here. What a cray. Guys, sorry I'm adjusting my swings right now, so I can't really look at the futures right now. Yeah, 1 second. I'm adjusting my swings here.
Order filled.
The Qs. Wow, man. Crazy.
Order filled.
Alright, this eval's gonna get toast on my personal. We're getting a massive short squeeze here, guys. A lot of people who didn't expect the market or to go like this. Massive short squeeze right now, guys. Massive short squeeze. This eval toast. Eval toasted. I think after the morning pump, we're coming into 4-hour resistance, guys. 4 hour. This previous support was very key. We rejected. We're coming right into the zone here, guys. So be really careful. I mean, we could pump through, but we're coming into the 4-hour resistance right here where it caused the market to go down. Can we pump through in the morning? We could. Anything's possible. They can overshoot and all that stuff. So,
order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
what a crazy pump. One second, guys. Still adjusting my swings here. What a crazy squeeze. Straight up 160 point after 1,000 point gap up. You don't see this. This 6 days shouldn't have happened. These 6 days that went down shouldn't have happened. It was engineered to grab. You guys seen like the most like dirty, one of the most dirty recently move in the market. They engineered it down to grab that guy's portfolio. 24-year-old hedge fund manager Leopold Aschenbrenner, right? Citadel bought it at the bottom. Now they're squeezing it. Do you think they're allowed to go lower than that where they scooped it? What a crazy! That was the biggest heist, man. One of the biggest heists in the recent stock market history, man. It's so dirty. They engineered everything down. Like those 6 days shouldn't have happened, right? It literally shouldn't have happened. But they had to push it down to grab his portfolio. Now they squeeze it back up, man. So dirty, so dirty. Yeah, now we know the floor exactly. Now we know the floor exactly. Right. Massive dirtiness.
Order filled.
All right, this eval toasted too. What a crazy. 2 evals toasted. Haven't gone. Let me do one more eval here. I'm trying one pro here, but that pro is getting hurt.
Order filled.
Because they like squeezing straight up 200 points. Look at that craziness, man. Oh, man. What a crazy.
Order filled.
What a cray. Massive short squeeze going on here. Going to be a strong day. I'm not sure. I think we pump, like squeeze everybody out, and then we pull 200-300 points at least. But we'll see.
Order submit. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Crazy. They squeezed the 4-hour. They just swept the 4-hour high, guys. They just swept this 4-hour high right here, and they're going straight up. Massive short squeeze. Massive short squeeze. What a dirty move. I told you guys, like literally like 4 days ago, guys, we're nearing a short-term low. We pumped 2,500 points, guys. Almost. This is how the market is. They get everybody out excited, right? Gonna go back to March lows. Nvidia gap up push. Amazon a little down. Google trying to hold. Apple weak. All these divergence. Like Apple like weak when everything's pumping. Insane. Insanity. 1,000 point gap up, and then we pump 200 points straight up. They're pushing for a straight Hormuz potential deal. Yup. Is that new to you? The Hormuz is gonna be open? That we have a massive deal? Is that new to you? That's been going on since March. I mean, come on, Joe.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What's going on, cigar?
Order filled.
All right, 1,800 on this one. Insane pump, man. Insane. Yeah, he was getting married, but then like they said he did like an open forum of any new ideas. He's already raising new funds, right? So that's how the guy, like, you guys can rate on him how like he got short squeezed and he got, you know, like, but he got like 400% year to date, right? Before all this. So daily chart looking like a breakout. Remember, SPY is almost at all-time highs. Q's not even close. Okay, triple Q massive breakout unless we fail here. What? I mean, if you guys have not traded for a while, you've witnessed something crazy in the past, literally past 2 to 3 weeks, right? Like here in this move here, you know, like this 6 day straight down move was, you can tell, like it wasn't normal, right? Just boom, 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 straight down. Doesn't look normal at all. Because there's not one pop, never happened in Q's history for like the longest time. And now we know after the fact why it was, because they had to sell it in order to grab his portfolio. We went to the 50% fib almost. So, I mean, now we're 2,500 points later. So, one of the biggest stock market history heists, man. Like it's, I mean, I was like, man, you know. Yeah, you'll probably get funded again. I mean, like you probably have to learn this lesson this time, not to use like, you know, 4 times leverage, but nevertheless, you know, he did what he did. I mean, like a lot of people rate on him, but you don't get those kind of returns by just being timid, right? So, but I don't recommend you guys do 4 times leverage, man. Like seriously. Yeah, and Long, I mean, it's not going to stop, right? The Iran war news drama, it's not going to stop. I mean, it's going to continue, right? So, I mean, for it to be legitimate, it'll have to be something like they actually come out, do a photo op, shake hands, and both sides says it's done. Like I like unless it's something like that, is probably gonna keep on going. At this rate, where the market can't pull back, we might as well go to all-time highs today, right? What a insane market, man. Insane market. After a 1,000-point gap up. Yesterday, guys, by the way, don't forget, we were down here yesterday. 28,300 almost. All right? 313. Right now, we're 2,300 points higher without a single pullback. Look at this. Look at this from yesterday, okay? Look at this. Asia, we tried to dip a little bit, and then we ripped like 600 points from Asia. Does this remind you of the March lockout rally? Insane. Oh, I don't even know what to do here, man. I'm a natural bull, but it's like 1,300 points higher, not a single pullback. I mean, don't tell me this is a pullback. This is not a pullback. Should we just like close our eyes and buy? I mean, should we just do that? I mean, daily chart breaking out of this downtrend here. We got AMD reporting earnings there today. So 4-hour chart, guys. 4-hour chart. Busted through this previous 4-hour breakdown. Do we swipe it and then reject, or do we keep on going? We're coming into these 4 hours previous support zone, which could be rejected, but the market is so strong, the short squeeze is so real, and you know, it just doesn't care right now. It just doesn't care right now. So
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
you go to 30,100 today. Interesting. I'm expecting, like, after this morning squeeze, we're gonna have some kind of either a catalyst or something that it starts pulling really hard. Maybe. I doubt we do the same thing like yesterday, where we just like literally pop and then like go straight up grind like this. I think we're gonna get some whips today. I could be wrong. Right now they're gonna squeeze all the shorts out first. Like right now, that's what's happening. They're squeezing all the shorts out. What a squeeze. I mean, this pump is actually like bigger than the pump in March lows, man. It's so fast, so I don't even know what you call it. I was gonna say degenerate, but I'm not sure if that's the right term. But
Order filled. Order filled.
is it July 4th because of this firework price action? SPY broke all-time highs. I think SPY took all-time highs, right?
Order filled.
All right, locked in 1100 on the Take Profit Pro on the other window.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Look at these swipes, man. These are like short squeeze swipes, man. I mean,
Order filled.
are you kidding me?
Order filled.
Oh man, this eval's gonna be toast. All right, next one. Unbelievable, man. This is comical now. 4 hours supply blown right through as if it's nothing. I mean, these past 2 weeks, you guys have seen something crazy, man. 4 hour supply, fresh supply, blown out as if it's nothing. Look at this. 4 hour fresh supply as if it's nothing. Right here, as if it's nothing. Oh man, you got this is crazy. The VIX is popping up while the market is going up. You see that divergence? You see the divergence? The VIX is shooting up right now while the market is going up. What does that tell you? All right, this is not normal, guys. Like a lot of like abnormal stuff going on in the past couple weeks, man. Okay, a lot of abnormal stuff going on.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Every little dip gets bought. Yeah, I mean, right. That's how they short squeeze it.
Cancel.
I think they prop it up. They're gonna pull. I'm not surprised if they take the morning low today, but I don't know if they'll allow it. Right now, they want to print like a gap up push, like a gap and go, instead of a gap and drop. So, Nvidia very strong. The VIX is going up to 16 right now, and the market is squeezing up. All right, big divergence here, guys. All right. If they hold it up green today, and the SPY just hold up green like this, we may have like an island top or something like that, and then reverse in a couple days. Let's say they don't allow it to sell today. Watch out for the next a few days before Friday. That may be an island top to come back and retest yesterday's range here. All right. You can't see it on the ES chart because it's continuous, but if you look at the SPY, okay. ES all-time high inside. Well, I mean, like, SPY already took the all-time highs today, so.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
If they keep pumping through here, let's see here. They may want to overshoot to like 550, 600 area here. I mean, I doubt we have a straight up without a pull today, but right now they're still straight upping. So if they want to keep going, we may have another. We may go to this box here, 580, and if they go really crazy over 7, I doubt we go to 700, but I mean, anything is possible on crazy days. What a crazy pump. We're back in the chasing frenzy now. The chasing frenzy. 4-hour downtrend break to the upside. And swept the 4-hour. Coming into 4-hour supply and still just not one sign of wanting to pull back. So VIX popping up. Market popping up. Alright, these are the information we dealt with right now. Oh, wow. Look at that. This eval. I toasted like 4 evals, man. Craziness.
Order filled.
Oh, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
You got to give it to the market. You learn something every day. If no sign of pullback, why short? Because eventually it may. Coming up into this hourly zone here, into the hourly box. So they overshoot this this breakdown. Not looking for this one. The 600. Let's see how they respond to the 600 box here. 714 on the Qs. Are you kidding me, bro? Guess they'll just bull flag all day. That's the sentiment that's going to cause a good pull right now. I mean, I feel the same way. I feel like, man, I got to chase this high. And they may hold it up here today. They may not drop it today, but in the next few sessions, we probably going to pull back. I mean, we just took a 4-hour high. I highly doubt in the next few days we go straight up without a 4-hour pullback. But it's going straight up right now. It's squeezing all... Just like the same way down here, it's the opposite going on right now, guys, right? If you're wondering what's going on, it's the same thing down here. When they deleverage that guy, when they blow up that guy's fund, to swoop up his portfolio, it's the same thing right now. They're squeezing everyone who's shorted during this area. I told you guys here, I'm like, guys, be careful if you short your banking money. I hope you're clocking it, because there's going to come a time, if the bears don't know to lock their money, they're going to lose everything that they gain here. What's happening right now? Right? So, like, that's how the market works. I told you guys literally, like, not even like a week ago. I'm like, guys, we're nearing a short-term bottom, right? So, this is how the market works, guys. The same way we feel right now that it can never pull back anymore. It may not pull back today, but in the next few sessions, we're probably going to get some kind of a pull in the market. Like, we're not going to have, like, no red days, right? So, Richard, you're one of them you got here. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that, but we all learn through the hard way. We all learn through the hard way. From the opening to 20. You know what? I'm going to delete this fib here from the overnight. I did the fib from yesterday's lows. We're now up 1,500 higher. So there's no point to do a fib from there. I'm going to do a fib from this high to this outage high. Somehow I feel like they may touch the low today here. But we'll see. I don't know, man. I mean, when they jam it up that high that fast, I don't know, man. Like, it's just very, very fishy. It's like going to a fish market. I am not surprised if they touch the opening low here today, guys. We ripped up 300 points straight up. And even if they do that, we're just back into, like, the opening. All right? But right now, they're holding it up. SMH gap up go. My ISO Excel printing, but my puts are eating it, so. SanDisk earnings tomorrow? Interesting. SanDisk still looks like the backside of like this looks like a dead cat bounce, but who knows, man. I mean, raid after raid after raid. Like, I mean, crazy stuff. Right now it's 9:54. What an insane market, man. Insane. Insanity, right, Kevin? Once you told me your grandma calls you Kevy, now I want to call you Kevy every time, man.
Order filled.
Is that okay?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Logged another 850 on the Pro. Nice. 2 Pro funded green. Every funded green so far only touched only some red evals, which is fine. Nice.
Order filled.
What a cray move. All right, locked in 1100 on the Pro Funded and another 840 on the Pro Funded. Got a couple of evals green. Got a few evals toast, but it's okay. Very nice. All right, so guys, right now, you know what? I'm not sure if I want to do this fib here because I think this low can be touched today. I mean, I think they're gonna do it dirty, but we'll see. Let's see if they hold it up. Still holding up. Is this the high or do we drop? We got some news at 10 o'clock. US JOLTS opening. So far, not much reaction. SPY just straight up 763 right now. Apple popping back up a little bit. Pretty tricky market in the past couple weeks. You know, you bought them, they dumped you. You short them, they squeeze you now. Not easy at all. So if we break down from here, I want to see this bubble and this bubble taken out right here. Okay? But do we get it? I don't know. Right now, they're still holding up. I believe this is a bull trap, but who knows? You know me, normally I buy these dips here. But I mean, look at the 4-hour chart. Look at the VIX this morning. When the market went up, the VIX went up. All right? We're into this 4-hour zone here. Could we still squeeze and go higher? Yes, but I don't know, man. It's just very, very hard to engage right now. I mean, we can't even pull 100 points, guys. We can't even pull 100 points. From 500 to 430. We can't even pull 100 points. After gapping up 1,200 points and pushing 300 points. That's insane, man. So we're probably gonna hold it up here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Craziness. This is one of the biggest short squeeze I've seen for in a while. 1,500 points straight up. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. Right now, guys, there's going to be massive FOMO unless you're already in the long down here, okay? I have no longs down here, and there's FOMO. Those are feelings you got to fight, okay? If you got the longs here, congratulations, but right now, it's like, man, I got to buy it here, right? Those are the emotions that you got to fight, okay? Those are the emotions you got to fight. We gapped up 1,200 points on NQ from yesterday's lows. And then we're now pumped another 300 points higher and they're not pulling back. Now, I feel like I want to buy it right at the top here. So, I mean, it may work. We may keep on squeezing. I don't know. I mean, but it's just... that's why they call it a lockout rally. It's like you can't... They lock you out. You can't even buy it. It just goes straight up. So, the VIX is popping up right now, guys. The VIX is going straight up right now while the market is going straight up. Okay? The VIX is going straight up right now. So, craziness. Palantir beat earnings a lot, going straight up. Microsoft, after a little morning dip, pumping again. Google going up as well. Amazon a little weak after the news that maybe like Jeff Bezos selling $4 billion worth of his stock. So, but that's only about 1.7% of his whole shares. So it's not that big of a deal. By the way, guys, if you haven't hit the like button, please go ahead and hit the like button, guys. Please go ahead and hit the like button, guys. If you consider this your home, your community, go ahead and hit the like button and do these emojis here if you haven't already. These evals, these are getting toast. I should just close my eyes and buy with these evals instead of trying to short it, man. Like literally. So now it's like I should just like close my eyes and just long these evals instead of trying to short it. I mean, what a crazy pump, man. I mean, that's what I'm thinking, guys. Like these evals just getting toast one after another. Buy the dips? There's no dips, man. I mean, I guess you can call this a dip. If this one gets toast, if this eval gets toast, I'm gonna rotate, and I'm just gonna close my eyes and buy it right here. So, how can the VIX and the price go up? It means that you know they're expecting a pullback, right? But right now people are getting squeezed, and people are jumping on to buy this quote unquote, you know, back on rally. So. It's not normal when the VIX goes up like this, straight up, and the market's going up. It means that we're going to get a pull soon. But it's not pulling right now, so. So the way they're doing it right now is they have to punch it straight up so that they won't lose any ground on the gap up. Even if they come back down to sell 50%, they've lost nothing. Right? So that's how the bulls do it. They just kick down the door. Look at the 4-hour chart. Beautiful, massive downtrend break to the upside. They swept this high here. The next logical high eventually will be this one here, 30,100. This yellow line here is where they're going to go for it. But I doubt they do it today. I mean, if they go really strong today, they can go for this breakdown high in the 4-hour. Which is the 700, 750 mark here. If we go there today, it'll be massively crazy. Massively crazy. So. This eval toasted. I toasted 5 evals this morning trying to short it. But I got 2 green and then 2 funded accounts green. So funded accounts doing great. But evals got toasted more. But that's okay. I mean, I'm a natural bull, and I hate this rally right now. Okay, go figure that out. That's why it's going up. I'm a natural bull, and I'm hating this rally because I can't get an entry for my swings. I only have like a few left on my SOXLs. Like they're printing 200%, 157%, right? But I don't have enough. I don't have enough contracts because they fake you out on the downside, right? They're like, you know what? Should I do that big of a size? At least you're not toasting the funded. Yeah, all my funded are green today. All my funded are green today. Just my evals. So, I mean, from here, 200 straight up, we pumped 320 points. For those of you guys who caught the long here, congratulations. I just find it very hard to buy into a 4-hour fresh supply, but it's working today. It's working today. I mean, a lot of like crazy new stuff recently. I mean, like, look at that. The VIX still going up, guys. VIX still going up. Triple Q 715. SPY breaking all-time highs. All-time high screen. Either that's a trap to the upside and they bull trap it and pull it back, or we continue straight up on SPY. And that's gonna be a chase the rally kind of deal, like the martial law. So they really pushing narrative today. Secretary Rubio, there's been progress made in talks with Iran to open a strait. Yep. There's always talks. There's always talks, right? There's been talks since March. How could there not be talks? There's always gonna be talks. So Do I have to fix at 1622? Right now, 1621. So, you know, 0.01 off, but it's still going up. Still going up. If this is a rejection, you will see them take the low of the day. If it's a continuation, they will hold about 50% of this move here. So you're gonna have to figure it out. Like today, like if you look at the hourly chart, like from oversold to massive overbought rate. Look at this. Look at this hourly chart. From oversold to overbought in like a couple weeks. 1 week. Pretty much like 28th, it was oversold on the hourly. Now we're overbought. Massive overbought on the hourly chart. So if I pull up the Bollinger Band, which some of you guys use, we're probably at the upper channel of the Bollinger Band. So it's just a mixture of people who want to get back in and those who short it and now they're forced to cover. Same thing when they got liquidated on the downside and along. Same thing. Gustavo, the VIX is surging. That's very strange. I can't buy in Q. That's right. That's right. That's the divergence. That's the divergence. I mean, we couldn't even pull 100 point this morning from here. That was a 70 point pull. So, pretty telling. Biggest heist in history, man. Seriously. Well, I'm not sure it's the biggest heist, but it's a big heist. You know, the 6 straight days. That's why in the morning you saw like it just went up and then straight down. That's them trying to push it down to liquidate that guy. So that's what they did for 6 straight days. Now after they've gotten it, they got to cancel that move down here. All right. So I think there's gonna be a pull though. Like I mean like, but the dips are gonna be shallow on the 4 hour. I mean, if we come back to this 28,800 zone here, I'm not for sure if we can. Like this zone here, it's going to be an inverted head and shoulder. I'll put on some swings here. So, boom, 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 like here. Too disgusted along here. Yeah, I mean. So, I mean, if you are too disgusted along, then don't do it. But so far, they rewarded everybody who chased this morning. So 350 points almost straight up rewarded on chasing. So I mean, in these days, if I chase, you would ask yourself, man, if I just chased here, I would have. It's always like that, right? It's always like that. So, but there's no such thing, guys. No such thing. It's called following the momentum. Yeah, I mean, you could call it that. But, you know, if it pulls back, then you got no more momentum. You only call it following the momentum because you can see it now, right? But like this morning here, after a gap up like this, we could have just sold all the way back down there. Like it happened in the past couple of weeks. So. Arrow Sky, extreme bullish market, and I keep shorting. Yeah, I've been shorting. And also did some longs in the past. Few weeks as well. So I'm happy with my trading style. I mean, I got very nice decent payouts last month, right? 60k net. So sorry, 50k net. June was 60k net. So I'm pretty consistent in my strategy. I'm not interested in being right. I'm interested in getting paid. Right? So a lot of you guys want to be right. Oh, today I got right in this trade. Okay, great. How much payouts have you taken last month? Right? What was your cost? What was your net profit? Right? My July net profit was 49,000. My June net profit was 60,000. My May net profit was 41,000. April 31,000. 72,000 in March. So I'm consistently profitable. That's what I'm interested in. Right? That's what I'm interested in. I'm not interested in like, oh, I'm right today because I follow the momentum. I mean, you got to be right at some point. Right? But I'm looking at like, okay, what am I like overall, the long haul, am I consistently profitable? Right? So the question is, if you caught the momentum today, great job. My question is, have you developed a strategy where you can be consistently profitable? My strategy says, after 1,200 point gap up and 300 point pop, I don't go buy that thing. Especially when the VIX is popping up at 16.24. Right? So, I mean, yeah, it looks a little foolish this morning. And by the way, I shorted this morning. I got 2 funded accounts. One Tick Profit Pro at 840 profit. The other Tick Profit Pro at 1100. The only accounts that got toasted are the evals. That's how I manage my risk. Okay. So, in terms of the funded accounts, which only matters, I'm bright green today. All right. So, guys, I mean, like, you know, look at your overall trading days. Are you overall green? Or are you overall red? Okay. Don't get too excited over one day, guys. Anybody can make Monday on one day. Right? Anybody can, just whatever on one day. But look at your overall stats. And now you say, okay, am I consistent? If I'm not, no problem. Why am I not consistent? Find out, right? Find out. So opening low was 208. We squeeze 300 points, and now let's see what they do here. Okay. Empty trade you read for 7 years. I mean, it takes time. I mean, some people take it longer to learn. Some people take it shorter.
Order submitted.
Hourly chart into this hourly box here. Do they punch through or do they stall here? I'm expecting for them to stall here. And if not a sharp pullback, at least a little chop. Okay. On the daily chart, NQ is doing a daily downtrend break to the upside so far. But if we get let's say tomorrow or next few days, let's say we get a gap down, we get a red day. Okay. That could set up a trap. Okay. Let's say we come back down to balance. I would like to see like a bear trap narrative and then buy this inverted head and shoulder. Right now, everybody's happy buying it up. Why are you shorting, bro? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. What I want to see is, okay, the next few days, how it sets up. Okay. Great job, Nathaniel. Great job, man.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
VIX is at 16.23 right now. SPY broke all-time highs. Microsoft going 494. Big pump. AMD earnings tonight. Right now it's back up to 513. This guy hit the like button. That's right, guys. If you haven't hit the like button yet, guys, who in here haven't hit the like button yet, man? Let's try to get it over 600 likes, guys, right now. All right, let's try to get over 600 likes. Think we can do that? If you haven't just done one click, that's it. One click. All right. If you're done it already, go and hit these emojis here. Cigar, no, not you. Into the hourly box. So far, swept this 4-hour high. At the very least, I want to see them come back and retest this previous breakout high here. The 300-350 zone, they come down here. Just 150 point pull, nothing crazy, right? Like this zone here. I want to see them defend this zone here, 300. Or maybe this low here. Right. Then maybe today another, pump back, but we'll see.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Scrum is certified. Apple pumping back up. Got some calls on that. What's going on, Sleepy? Please, where's the like button? The like button is right underneath the description or above the description, or right next to the title of the YouTube video. All right, it's like a thumbs up button. All right, Robino?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
See here, you guys lock in those payouts. Big Rich with Take Profit Trader, my #1 prop firm. Yo, Big Rich, where you at on your payout? I need to upgrade your batch. I'm sure you're well over 40K, man. Tricia got 3 Apex payouts from August. Very nice, Trish. Agent 11, Take Profit payout. Nice. Lucid payout, Jay Sunny. Don Mega, 2200. Nice. Souffle. Peace got Apex payout. Esau trades. Lots of you guys banking hard, man. Ivan Lucid, 18 grand with Lucid, man. Well done. Use the code FSP if you want the maximum discount with Lucid, guys. I got some Lucid giveaways for you guys as well. I just got some codes for you guys. Praise the Lord, 25K a month, child of God. FSP, let me get that 40K badge. Well done, man. Coming for the 100K badge. Well done, child of God. Lots. If you guys want some inspiration, come inside the payout Discord here and get some inspiration. Not a guarantee, but it's what some of you guys have done. Derek Quinn here. Thank you, FSP. Great community. Hope you guys are doing well. That's like 6K in payouts. Well done, Take Profit Trader. Gonna give you the badge. There, Quinn. Yay, buddy. 5,400 from Lucid Live. Nice. Man, you guys are killing it. Well done, guys. Well done.
Order
Thomas, you
filled.
got $2,400 payout on Apex?
Order filled. Order filled.
The VIX just got crushed really hard. What happened with the VIX? Interesting. Interesting. My cuisine using FSP on all my accounts since I joined this community. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Appreciate that.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, VIX suddenly dropped. I don't know what that's all about. Very, very interesting. Just straight down drop here. All right, one more pump and this eval is going to toast again, so I'm going to have to rotate. Absolutely insane.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to have to rotate. It's another eval. Keeping the day green on my funded. Letting the evals take the hit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
$10.28. Yeah, maybe in the afternoon that they start to slowly grind back down. So try some pop drop, pop drop, pop drop, pop drop, and then swipe. May not do it right now. So ES has got a 5-minute breakdown candle, but I mean, look at this. I mean, look at NQ 5-minute looks like this. ES 5-minute looks like this. Okay, ES got a breakdown candle and NQ's pumping. Okay. You cannot see my chart? What do you mean?
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
What's going on, Andrew? It's okay for you guys? Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Intel back up. All these semis are back up. AMD. Even these like beat down AI stuff. Core Reef, NQ getting a little pop. You know. Palantir, big pop because of earnings. Tesla's just chilling there. Yeah. Just chilling.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, the title's wrong? Let me go fix that. Yeah, I probably got the dates wrong. But
Order submitted.
thanks for letting me know. The rest of the ones should be good. Okay, cool. Fix the title. Thank you. The 7:15 calls this morning on Triple Q went from 30 cents to $2.75. This is massively rare. Okay. 30 cents to 2.75 on a capo. Oh man. Gotta love it. Well, I mean, I've seen higher, but I mean, if you trade 0 DTEs, yeah, I mean, it's more, but I don't trade as much 0 DTEs, but I'm trying some 0 DTEs today. It's not working, so. I normally do at least a few weeks out. But with this kind of extreme, trying some 0 DTEs, I mean, crazy action. And by the way, it's not normal. I don't care how many years you trade options. You tell me that it gaps up 1,200 points and pumps into 300. It goes from 30 cents. Like, look at the chart on the 715 calls. 0 DTEs. All right. At the open, it was like 6 cents yesterday, going to 2.75. This is not normal. It happens, so I wouldn't say it's normal. So I trade for 10 years. So don't tell me this is like normal stuff. I mean, I don't know like what you do. Maybe you trade 0 DTEs every day or whatever. I don't know. But it's not normal to see from 6 cents to 2.75. Right? The normal means like it happens every day. That's normal, right? It happens means, okay, you know, it happens once in a while, but from 6 cents yesterday going to 2.75, this is not normal. Right? So.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
All right, locking this one. And Brooks Trump, you get 0 DTEs every day, happen all the time. You saw it more than you can count. Okay. But with all due respect, Brooks Trump, if you tell me 0 DTE is all you trade here, I'm not sure you're profitable. I am just going to throw it out there. Maybe you are, but if you tell me 0 DTE you trade every day, I don't know. But I mean, I don't wish you to be losing, but 0 DTEs daily, you're probably not going to make it. All right. You're probably not going to make it. But, you know, who knows? Who knows? Maybe you somehow, you know, do really well, you know, but 0 DTEs are, I mean, very, very hard to get it right. I mean, so. You didn't? That's the point? I see. Yeah. So. I mean, unless you sell it. I mean, as you sell, you got a big account. That's different. So. Some jolts there. Do we get some news or something? Or I don't see any news there. Fear and Greed Index. Okay. What's going on, Abby? Sultan. Lawrence could be using 0 DTE like futures to scalp. If you can't make money of future scalping, there's no way you can scalp with options. 0 DTE. Like, you literally have to like be so precise in your entries. And a day like this, let's say you buy some puts and then they don't go down, all those gets killed, including some of my 0 DTEs right now.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We may have seen a top here if they reject this box. They swiped it 3 times here. No Greeks for future is a game changer. I mean, yeah, I mean, like, future is just like, you know, buy it and then, you know, have a stop, that kind of deal. But options, you got to deal with the DK, which is the hardest thing to do. You made a lot of money with 0 DTEs, SPX until you get good. I mean, SPX, I made like crazy amounts of returns. Only thing is I just gave it back on 0 DTEs. Like, you can make money, but you're just gonna give it back, right? You make like 20K, 30K one day. You're like all on top of the world. Next day, you give it all back because you size bigger, and then you're like, oh, okay, wow, these SPX can go from like, especially at the end. You know, it can spike some 200, 300% in like 3 minutes. And now, you got to learn it the hard way. You got to learn it the hard way. I highly suggest you do not trade 0 DTEs. I mean, you may make some money here and there. You'll see some gurus post this, blah, blah, blah. Over the long haul, I absolutely guarantee you. Well, I can't guarantee you. I'm absolutely confident. Someone tells you they've been trading 0DTEs only, right, for anything more than 1 or 2 years, and they say they're making money. It's like a guy who says he won a $20 million lottery. It's highly, highly unlikely. Highly, highly unlikely. Options, you need time on your end. You need time on your end. You need time to get the move right. Right? So, Brostrom, you lost lots of money. I mean, I lost a lot of money with options too, to learn, you know, what to do and what not to do. So, shredded. Yeah, I mean, yeah, a lot of factors. Well, the leverage is different, Media Dreamer. Leverage is different. Wow, look at that Microsoft, man. 497 straight up right now.
Order filled. Am I going back to power hour trades? I don't normally stream power hours now, but normally I still watch the market then. Yeah. Order filled.
I want to see a daily chart bull trap to get some kind of a panic selling so I can scoop some swings. Right now, everybody's bold up here on the downtrend break to the upside. If you look at the triple Qs is better, but on the SPY, if you look at previously on the breakout, the SPY eventually came back down to test. So I would like to see some kind of a bull trap on a daily chart. Probably not going to happen today. Okay, probably not going to happen today. They're probably not going to sell it. The fact that it's like 11 o'clock and they're still holding it up here. I mean, if we get a lunchtime pull, they may pull into this 380 and then maybe that's it. So, been getting straight down market for the past couple weeks, and then now straight up market. A little different. If you look at the hourly chart, like here's a crazy thing, guys, on the market. If you look at the market on a 4-hour chart, we went from oversold to massively overbought in a matter of 1 week. We went from, like, you see, like this oversold, we got a little bounce, and then multiple oversold days. That's when they liquidated Leopold, that the hedge fund guy, right? Massive oversold, they liquidated him. Now we're massive overbought on a 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart RSI has some meaning to it. That's why I look at it, right? Whenever 4 hours at the lows and the dailies at the lows, I pay attention. Same thing I pay attention to when it's at the highs. Look at this. Whenever, I mean, it doesn't have to come down. Obviously, we go up, we have a little pull, we go up, a little pull, but it is a sign to pay attention to. It is a sign to pay attention to. Doesn't mean that we have to crash or whatever, but a little pullback wouldn't be out of the question, right? So. Papa, thank you for that commentary. Just in 4 hours, very helpful. No problem, no problem. God bless you. God bless you.
Order submitted.
Right now, guys, they're just holding it up, right? If they just hold up, don't do too much, right? Hit the like button, hit these emojis here, and you can buy some prop firm accounts. They got some discounts right now. Apex got 90% off. So if you want the 90% off, use the code FSP, right? Take Profit Trader is my #1 prop firm because of the daily payouts. I got 2 Take Profit Trader funded accounts green today, right? The rest is just evals are traded. 2 out of 2 funded green today. And if you want 40% off, no activation fee, use the code FSP for Take Profit. We're also going to do giveaways today. 5 giveaways today, guys. We've been doing 5 giveaways every single day, man. I recently got some, I got you guys some, my Fund of Futures, Tradify, and Lucid accounts. All right, who's excited to get some giveaways, huh? We'll be doing it later in the day, right? So it's not associated with YouTube. It's just my way of saying thank you for being part of the community. Okay, so. Wonderboard for me is take profit hands down. I mean,
Order filled.
but again, like prop firms is like driving a car, right? If I like a Japanese car, you may like a, I don't know, German car, right? So whatever it is, just, you know, whatever works for you, do that, right? So. Spectre, you lost all your accounts. You bought them literally the last bit of food money for you and your girlfriend. I'm sorry to hear that, Spectre. I tell people all the time, never use more than 20% of your income for trading. And at this point, Spectre, I think you should just literally find any job you can, whether it's McDonald's, any place. There's no shame in like working a job, right? Find an income and come back stronger. Where are the likes? How many likes are we at right now, guys? Let's see. Guys, do you think we can get to 700 likes? We're at 537 right now. Do you think we can get to 700 likes? 700 likes? If you haven't hit the like button yet, please go ahead and hit the like button. Let's do it now, guys. Let's try to get it over 700 likes. Guys, right now, this is reminding me of, look at the straight up action with hourly overbought, right? Could we be doing something like this? Okay. Massive pump. Gap up push. Maybe raid one more and a down. Could we be doing that? We may not be doing it today because if you look at the chart like this, right? They go up, hang at the highs. On the hourly chart, go up with this little flag here, hang at the highs, don't pull back. But in the next few sessions, we got a little pullback. Okay, so if they don't do it today, I'm expecting them to at least post some. Like 300-400 point pull is not going to be crazy. Today we pumped 300 from the open. Okay, but we're going to have to keep an eye on what's going on. Right now they're building a flag again, which is crazy. Max Barak, you've been guilty yourself and until for 2 weeks by full port event training. Sorry to hear that. I mean, tilt demotions is very easy to come by. You see me on stream. That's why the other day I walked away. Is because I felt the tilt. You know, and when you recognize that, you got to walk away. What's going on, Brandon? God bless you, bro. SPY just keep on ripping. 766. The cues are relatively weaker than the SPY. ES new all-time high. Yeah, it just keeps on grinding up, so pretty strong on ES there. If trading for a living was easy, everybody would be doing it. That's right. That's right. Dairy tilt gets rewarded sometimes. That's right. Just like the casino. The casino rewards you sometimes. The slot machines. I don't know if that video is real. But they films this guy direct deposited from their bank account to the slot machines. $20,000. If that doesn't cause you to flip out a chair, I don't know what does. Right? The logic behind some people just, if it's real, okay, transferring $20K from their bank account to the slot machine. Does it make any sense to you? Do you think the casino is going to program the slot machine so that you'll win over the long haul? Right? Crazy. Spectre, follow since you started. Just want to say thank you for everything. You're giving up. Can't take it anymore. Spectre, you know, let me tell you this. There's no shame in walking away on some things. But let me tell you this. There's always hope in life. Even if it's not trading for you, remember there's always hope in God. Never lose hope in God. Sometimes we make some decisions and it hurts us. If it's with trading, I would suggest, if you have to walk away from trading, whether it's for good or whether it's for a few months or for whatever time frame it is, remember that you don't live for trading. That there's meaning in life other than trading. I know it sucks when you take a big loss and you get into big trouble, and the first things first is take a break, walk away. And give yourself a chance. Yo, Trader Be Free, your Amazons are looking massively good, right? Did you sell them? Did you sell your Amazon? Yo, those earnings pump. When did you sell your last Amazons, man? I was asking for you the other day, man. Your Amazons must be printing hard, right?
Order filled.
God will never walk away from you. Everything is an opportunity to increase your trust in Him. That's right.
Order filled.
Shama, a lot of things that happened to you in the past, you reflect on them now and say thank God for those things because you now know how to better navigate life. Yeah, I mean, always, like many times in hindsight, we find out, you know, that God was there. You sold Monday, your youngest daughter clicked the sell button for you. Man, what a great trade, man. You held it for what, 20 years? Yo, don't forget those taxes on those Amazon, okay? You sold, you realized the gain? Don't forget the taxes, bro. All right. How much did you did on that trade, man? Was it like some 2 million or something like that? That's a crazy trade, man. Spectre, stay with Christ, man. God is your hope and God is your source. Never lose hope.
Order filled.
Normally I would be buying this, but these evals keep on getting hit. Normally I'll be buying these dips, but then I just keep on thinking, you know what, this is crazy. I think I should just call it. Even if it's these evals getting hit, it's not conducive. It's very hard to...
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
The bulls are gradually gaining momentum. Yeah, I mean, this eval is gonna be toast. I'm glad. The only good thing I did so far today is not to hit my funded. I only traded 2 funded accounts, both are green. Right, my eval's not so good because I keep on trying to short this thing and it just doesn't go down. So crazy pump, man. What a crazy pump. I mean, at this rate, we're gonna go like 4-hour chart into this 30,100. I mean, oh man. The only good thing so far today for my futures prop is to just, you know, not trade the funded. So you caught that mini boom. Nice. Well done, man. Has anyone checked on Carlos and made sure he's okay? Well, I mean, Penguin, we don't try to rub it in, right? I mean, he did. I mean, the Bears did bank in the past few weeks. It's just that right now, it's, you know, they totally go the opposite. So you don't think any Bears survive? That's why I told you guys, like, literally, like, last week. I'm like, a lot of you guys were saying, like, yo, guys, we're going to go down. We're going to break to, like, 26,000. I'm like, guys, we're probably in a near, like, temporary bounce at least. This is not even temporary. This is, like, the low. When it goes like this is the low. Citadel bought down here. Like, that's the floor. Right? Probably not going to break below this here. Unless we get some new catalyst. So, I mean, I would like to see a little pullback to get long on, but they don't have to do that, right? So, like something like this, right? Something like this, and then continue, like boom, boom. But today they're very strong, so. Which hedge fund got liquidated? That 24-year-old, the guy who bought a bunch of like tech, or not tech, semis, Leopold Aschenbrenner, 24-year-old, right? Left OpenAI, got some $200 million in funding, and then, you know, and then Citadel like basically bought his book. It's all over the news, right? All over the news. That's why during that time when it's going down, it didn't look normal. Like literally gap up, straight down, gap up, straight down, gap up, straight down. They have to press it lower. They have to get to a price where they're willing to buy it. And after they bought it, of course, they're going to have to pump it. So, yeah, they manipulated the market to squeeze them out. Well, to dump them out, to liquidate them, basically. So that is going to be the low, like at least temporarily. This year is going to be a temporary low. And when I say temporary, probably in the next few weeks. Now, Tom Lee still thinks we have a maybe lower to go ahead of midterms. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, like this like look over here. I mean, like look at the March reclaim here, right? It kind of doesn't look back afterwards. So. Yeah, it's not old enough, but it's that kind of thinking that got him to 400% return too, right? A lot of people say things like, "Oh, you know, that kid is like he didn't know what he was doing." If he didn't know what he's doing, I mean, he got 400%. Not with like your zero DTE options. With $200 million, man. He did do 4 times leverage. He did do that. If the war drags on, you'll say new low's coming. If the war is gonna break this low here, you don't. I mean, that's gonna be a very bad thing. You know why? Because because of the war news, right now the market has absorbed the war news. But if we break this low here, it means that we have something drastically worse than what we've known so far, and you don't want to see that. Why sometimes you're like, man, I want the war. You don't want the war. You don't want millions of people to die so that your puts get paid for like $3,000. You don't want that, right? If we break this low because of the Iran war, it means that something horrible have developed beyond what we've known so far. The market has already absorbed this whole back and forth of like, there's deal, there's no deal, Strait of Hormuz open, Strait of Hormuz closed. They already absorbed that, okay? For the market to break this low right here, it means, I don't want to say it, okay? But you already know. It means that something drastically horrible. And millions of human lives probably be lost. And you don't want that. You don't want that. Now, if it's not about the war front, maybe something about another catalyst, maybe midterms, maybe some kind of like rate hike for real, right? Or something, then maybe. But I mean, for the catalyst of war to happen, that's probably going to be something different. All right. So. With a candle like this, right, straight up, I would like to see like a big red candle on a daily in the next couple days to build a daily flag here. Something like this, let's say a gap up, massive flush, cancel this entire pump today, which is, you know, still okay, right? Maybe even a little dump, little bear trap like this, and then continue higher. That's what I want to see. Amazon pulling back, Apple regaining some. Very strong SMH today. Oh, the crazy market. 400 points pump from the morning lows. Ugh. Forget the fib, man. Forget the fib. We're not going to need the fib today, man. There's going to be no retracements. Can't even do anything. Can't do anything. Look at this parabolic. 767 on SPY. Guys, I can't buy it here. I don't know if I can keep straight. I just can't. Even if it's evals, I just can't do it. It's not my style. I don't. Oh man, I just can't do it, guys. If I short it, it's gonna keep going up and I can't buy it up here. Maybe we should just like wrap it with the given evals and that's it. I mean, unless we get some range, some whips, I don't do this stuff, man. This is not my style when it just goes straight up. Absolute insanity. Insanity. I mean, overbought is nothing right now. At this rate, guys, I mean, I don't want to sound like crazy. At this rate, without them stopping, if they really want to do a crazy massive candle, they will go over 30,000 today. 400 points higher. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's not stopping. It's not stopping. So, I mean, right now it's like producing a parabolic coming up. It just straight up, no levels. Bright green on PA accounts done for the day. Yeah, I'm bright green on my funded accounts as well. I only traded 2 pro funded accounts today. Both of them are green. And then the evals got toast. I got like 3 green, very green. So, but because I know this is not my kind of trading style. That's why you got to give yourself a chance, guys. Trading, you got to give yourself a chance, right? I know this is not my style if it goes straight up or straight down, right? So I'm just like, okay, you know what? Just put in some evals, right? Keep the funded green, and that's it. Look at this. I mean, just what can you do here? Just straight up. Oh man, I'll tell you this. Like, if they really want to do something crazy, they'll do another gap up and like this. Maybe in 2-3 sessions. Like have a massive gap and go. And then blow them up before the actual down. That will be crazy. Right now, like this kind of squeeze is like a lot of people are panic chasing. A lot of people are panic covering. And it just, I mean, I had to take a loss on my 0 DTEs today. Like down here. So it's crazy squeeze. Very, very crazy squeeze. We're basically back above what shouldn't have happened here. Right? This year, we should have pumped here. Right now, they're just canceling this entire liquidation of that fund to pump higher. So, staying alive is part of the game. Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, SPY just keeps on grinding up. I mean, look at the SPY. I mean, it's like all-time high breakout, and it just grinds straight up. Like literally vertical. From 760 after a gap up 767. 6-7, right? I mean, absolutely vertical. Right now in the hourly chart, if we pump through this box here, which they're doing, then the next one will be like this one here. This one, 750 and 800. So, if we pump the all-time highs on the Qs, there'll be no bears left. There'll be no bears left. I said this would happen last week. I said we're in a temporary low. I did not expect it to go straight up 1,600 points without a single pullback. But it's doing it. So, how to trade a vertical market? Depends on whether you're scalping or whether you're like swing trading. Swing trading, you maybe like not do anything. I think we're gonna get a little bit of a red day, like in the next few days, but we'll see. But the pullback's gonna be shallow now that everybody knows the low's in. So, right now, all they gotta do here, right, on the hourly chart, right, all they gotta do is to come back and retest this 400 zone here, previous breakout, and they can dance up to this 30,000 mark here. So, all right, I'm gonna go and take off the fib here. The fib means absolutely nothing. Ouch! Just punched the mic in my nose right here. The fib means absolutely nothing if we don't pull back. So, tomorrow, Savi's a small retrace. I'm thinking of maybe like a gap down, small red day, hold sideways, that kind of deal. Like, if they don't want to give back, what they do is they do a small day and just consolidate. Like green, red, green, like red, green, red, green, red, green, few days, chop up the premiums, and then they do the big move down or one more punch to the upside. So, at this rate, like with the low put in like that, it's, you know, they're probably not going to do those like, anyway, I mean, like, I don't know, like, you got to look at the catalyst. I mean, I'm thinking of something like this, right? On the 4-hour chart, gap up push, won't sell, and then in the next few sessions, we get a pullback, and he raised that day. So, if we erase today, we're only back down to like, if we erase today, we're only back down to the open at 29,200, which is like a retest of this high. Nothing crazy. So, $7.18 on the Qs. Semiconductor straight up gap up. Oh, man. Look at that parabolic, man. Look at that parabolic. Sometimes you just gotta laugh, literally. I mean, right, John B? Like, why didn't I just long it, right? Why didn't I just long it? I mean, hindsight's the easiest, guys. Today, I'm telling you, you're going to look in hindsight and be like, why didn't I just long it? Why didn't I just long it, bro? All right. For those of you guys who longed it, well done. Well done.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Shorts getting liquidated hard today? I mean, could be. All right, guys, let's do the first giveaway of today. I'm not sure how long I can stay here if it just goes straight up vertical. So this, depending on when I go, let's at least do one today. I am not going to stay here when the market just goes vertical with no pullback. I mean, we literally went straight up. After gapping out 1,200 points, we pumped another 450. So I'm going to do the first giveaway of the day. I mean, for all I know, they can keep on going. We're up another 300 points from here. So I won't be able to buy that. Like, that's just my strategy. Like, I can't do that. Right? So I'm just going to, let's do the first giveaway of the day. And use one word to describe this market. Today, use one word to describe your trading. And we'll give away 2 accounts today. We'll give away 2 Tradeify accounts today. All right? If you want to be part of it, use one word to describe this morning's market action. All right, I'm gonna go to washroom, be right back, and I'm gonna do a draw. Okay. All right, let's do the draw. Not too much to do today, guys. I mean, with the market ripping straight up, if you got the longs, that's great. With my kind of style, this is not my kind of day. I mean, like, you know what? Let's do 3 today. I'm not sure I'm going to stay that long after this. So let's just do 3 right now. Probably going to wrap it up soon because I can't sit here watching it just grind up without any kind of meaningful pullback. So let's do 3 right now. Tina Trade says greenish, which is nice. Uncle Joseph, unstable to market. Yup. Website section up. Nice. Tina Trades, Uncle Joseph, and website section 6709. Congratulations on winning the Traded 5 accounts today. Make sure you go inside the Discord underneath claim giveaway to claim your giveaway. Okay. Congratulations. Let me go inside the Discord here. Right now, what I need to see is that they need to have some kind of balance and bigger wicks, not like grind up at ATR just morning 30 and go to like 12, not like this. For me to, like, I'm going to give it another maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and I need to see them start taking out these lows here and have some whips. If we don't whip and we just grind, I'm going to be done for today. I'm green on the funded accounts. My evals got hit a little bit, no problem. All right, I'm going to come back another day when my style is more like just, you know, buy, dip, sell, rips, that kind of stuff. Not like straight up without any kind of pullback. Like, I'm going to come back when the day is actually makes more sense. Right, so. Pulling back. This is not a pullback. This is like a 20-point pullback. For a size the Meg do like this today, we need to do at least 23.6 on the fib for me, or else I'm good. You know, like 23.6 is down here, 560, and for me, really, I need them to do at least 50%, like 38.2 or like this area. Like if not, then it's fine. I'll just, you know, come back another day, whatever. I called this action last week. Yeah, I mean, yeah. But I do want a little bit of a breather with this overbought condition. On the 4-hour and on the hourly chart, we're overbought. Right? 4-hour and hourly chart, we're overbought. And we still don't have any kind of consolidation going on. We're just going straight up. Right? Look at that. Look how overbought that is. That is 82 on the hourly chart. Last time we were overbought here, we came back and pulled in a little bit. So, if it doesn't do it today, it doesn't have to, then maybe in the next few sessions, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. Hey Angie, I replied your DM. Do you think going down today? Probably not. But I'm looking for some kind of pullback. The way that they pump it like this, they're telling you they're not allowing, like, maybe like a retest of this area, 500, even like 450 is too much to ask for them today. Like they're very, very strong today. So people need to take profit. Depends on where. BP, what's going on, man? What's going on? What a crazy rip up day, man. SPY all-time highs breakout. Q's not yet there. You already done? Nice pump. Nice. Oh man, I think I'm gonna be done for today, guys. I can't just keep shorting this market with evals. They're not coming down, and I know if I just can't buy this. Right? I'm gonna wait for the next few days for it to just reset. It's lunchtime. They're still grinding up. Take it on the chin on the evals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna lost. Got 8 evals lost. Got 3 green, but my 2 funded accounts are green. So I'm just gonna call it because you know me, like I don't like straight down, straight up action. And right now the market is not doing anything other than just like going straight out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow 9:30. We'll pray together. And we already done 3 giveaways today. And I'm not going to stay for this just like no pullback straight up pump. So, but make sure you just keep yourself green like on a day when you're not feeling it. Make sure you allow yourself a chance to succeed, right? If you see like, you know what, this is not my kind of day, come back. Come back and on a day when it's stronger, when it's easier, and then you'll do better, right? Because the more I'm probably gonna go walk out and look at the market. Like these 0 DTE puts, I took a loss earlier. I tried a new strike, and these strikes are not working either. So if I keep on staying here in this market, I'm gonna burn a bigger hole in my personal account. I don't want to do that. All right, so literally crazy move. We're massively overbought on the 4-hour and the hourly, and we're not pulling back a single bit. So in a pullback at this point, that's meaningful. Is at least a 200 to 300 point pullback. Right, that means we should at least retest this 400 zone, right, at like today. And if we don't do that, I mean, I'm not going to be here for that. So, always stay profitable, right? Today I'm profitable, my funded. Evals got hit, no problem, right? Come back another day when it's better, okay? So, let's do what we do as a community, and tomorrow we'll come back again, right? So. And by the way, guys, if you are gonna keep on trading this, at some point, like you have to recognize like where's your tolerance, okay? Like for me, I'm a reversal trader. There's no reversal today. It's just a massive grind up, right? We're up 500 points after gapping up. Like look at how crazy this thing is. Yesterday we're down here, 20,300. Now we're up 1,600 points straight up. So. I mean, you're like, oh, it's too high, get to short it. It can go up another 300, 500 points. Or it can drop back down here. Right? But I'd rather come back on a day when they're whipping back up and forth. When it's my kind of day. For today is kind of like trend trading. Okay, this is not today's trend trading. Let's say you bought it and you hold the trend. Those people got paid. Right? But I am a reversal trader. Reversal trader, these kind of days when it goes straight down, straight up, it's not my kind of day. And so when you know it's not your kind of day, what do, guys? You don't stay there and take a beating. You walk away. And you come back on a day when it's more like your style, then you go and bank on it. All right? So just keep that in mind, guys. Stay to fight another day. Okay? Stay alive to fight another day. Okay? Thank you, Roger. No problem. No problem. All right. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For yours is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Thank you, precious Savior, Jesus our Lord. We thank you that your grace and your mercy is new every morning. That no matter where we are at in our lives, we know that you see and you care. And for the people here, God, today that they don't feel or sense that you care for them, may you reassure them through your word. May you reassure them through the people in the faith that you are with them, that you have not forsaken them, because your word says that you will never leave us or forsake us. So we choose to trust in you and help us to abide in you. Help us to remain faithful, steadfast to the end. And so may the Lord bless you and keep you. May He cause His face to shine on you and be gracious to you. And may He turn His face towards you and give you peace. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow at 9:30. Remember, if God is for you, who can be against you? God bless you, and God bless your family. Shalom.
So loved the world, He gave His only Son. Believe in you will live in Him, the risen one. He didn't come to judge, He came to save and heal. So I run to the light, Jesus, you're my light. Darkness fades away when your truth shines bright. I'm coming to the light. I'm coming to the light. Yeah. Some still choose the dark, afraid of what you'll see. But you call every heart, step out and be set free. Those who walk in truth, let your glory show. So I run to the light, Jesus, you're my light. Darkness fades away when your truth shines bright.